Even if we believe in Him, we still doubt that He's got our back. We doubt if He can do what we ask of Him. Don't we, mga classmates? That's how Satan works. He makes us doubt, so we rely on our own strength to the point of doing something against God or making a mistake. Now, mga classmates, if you know and believe in God, you know that if He created heaven, earth, and us, whatever you are asking from Him is just peanuts for Him. Correct? So don't doubt His power because He is powerful. Having said that, you need humility to fully submit to His will. You need to believe with all your heart and soul that if He chooses not to grant what you ask, it is not because He does not love you or wants to hurt you, but because He has a very good reason not to. Along with His power and love for us, He is also omniscient, mga classmates, all-knowing. Mga classmates, we only see what's in front of us, but He knows everything. Even if you may not like His will, you must be in a state of total surrender to it. And that, mga classmates, is true faith. That's how we have to walk towards Him in the stormy parts of our lives. You don't focus on your problem or situation. You focus on God with full faith. Otherwise, you will falter and do things that may make matters worse.